we agreed with the chairman of the district that this land here, which is a government land, a portion of it be used to start a mini industrial center in partnership with the technical college.
Being old is not being sick or not being able. We are very sure you are an able leader. You can stay at this country for the next many years to come. So as a district, we have put our hands jointly together to forward to you this important document, which is agreed position for you.
Right
now we are saying let Musei stay there.
I
speak as chair of Teso Parliamentary Group.
And I believe when I speak like this, I'm representing the position of Teso Parliamentary Group.
When they are in distress, I come with my blankets. This is all because President Museveni has been very kind to place me in that position. And I'm going to be around and praying that President Museveni also stays so that I can also be around.
Even the MPs from Teso, we are working together in Parliament. There are a few areas we disagree on, but we shall sort it out in a way or another.